Hey everybody, welcome back, and I am back with something new and exciting. This is a first time try for me, and I'm super excited about it. It's called Fashom, and if you have never heard of Fashom, it is a styling service similar to what Stitch Fix would be, if you know what Stitch Fix is. So what this is, and it's a little bit different than Stitch Fix. This one, when you go up and you fill out your style profile, so it does ask you questions on, your weight, your height, your size in clothing. They do give you some options to pick what styles you like better. So they'll put maybe like a dress and some heels and, maybe jeans and a t-shirt. You get to pick which one you like. You do that whole style profile, and then what the stylist does is she or he picks a couple of items, and then you get to pick which ones you want to try. So this box is not a mystery. I know exactly what's in here because I picked it. So you do get to pick the items from items they pick for you. You following me? We got this? And then the ones that you pick are the ones that they send you. So for Fashom, the styling fee for them is $15. If you choose if you keep all 5 pieces, you get a 30% off discount from the total. If you keep 3 of the 5 pieces, you get 25% off. So that's also a little different. So this is exciting. I believe they give you seven different pieces, and you pick 5 of the 7. So I'm excited. This is new, so we're gonna try it. So I already know what's in here, but I'm excited to see it in person. It's different when you see the picture, the picture of it. All right, let's see what we have. This is my first time getting this box, so this is gonna be a whole brand new thing. Okay, so we do have a bag for anything that has to be returned. You also have 3 days. Once you get your items, you have 3 days to try it on and then either check out or do your return. And they do have an app. You could go online, or they do have the app. I actually used the app, so free to download, super simple. Okay, so this one says, "Hello, beautiful." And okay, so this also, you get to see the price while you're picking your items. So if you're trying to stay within a budget, you have that option. If something is, $40 something and you really wanted to stay around 30 something, you could see the price right there. So that's not at all a surprise. So yep, and then it tells you what everything is, but like I said, I already know what's in the box. Better as I am, let's see what this is. So this is just kind of a little card that tells you what's next. So it says, try it, not quite a fit, enjoy free returns or exchanges. So if something does not fit right, but you really like it, you can exchange it for size. And then, so you have 3 days to decide which items you want to keep or return. So remember, if you buy 3 or 4 items, you'll receive 25% off. Even better, if you purchase all 5 items, you'll receive 30% off. This is my favorite part. For each Fashom box sent, we donate $1 to Second Chance NYC Dogs. Oh, Second Chance Rescue NYC Dogs. So, you're getting awesome fashion. You're helping dogs. I'm all about it. Okay, so here we go. So this is how it comes. We're wrapped up here. Okay. And I just did this box, so everything is like super fresh in my mind. Once you take your styling quiz and like you request a styling, your choices are ready in about 2 to 3 days. And then it'll send you an email. It'll let you know that your stylist has picked the items for you. And then you can go up and see what's up there. And then you choose what you want. So this one is the, see if I can read the Mido Shop Bamboo V-neck twisted side knit top. So I was excited about this one because if you've watched any type of unboxing video that I've done before, you know I'm a sucker for any type of plain t-shirt that has any type of like knot or ruffle detail that keeps it just from being plain. So it's a plain t-shirt with a twist, literally. Premium bamboo fabric. Okay, hold on, because this feels so soft. Let's just read what this is. So this is Mido Shop green label. So it says Mido Shop's exclusive green label is made from a rare bamboo fiber which possesses natural bacteriostatic activity that enhances features such as softness, brightness, smoothness, and air permeability. Okay, so there's a whole bunch going on here. I don't know if you could see but this is really, and it's heavy. Like it's a heavy, I don't even know if you could say cotton because it's like bamboo. But I'm excited. So obviously I have to try on for size to make sure that we are good size-wise. So we have that. This is, these are 1822 denim skinny ankle jeans. So we have some skinny ankle jeans. I don't know, they're black, so I don't know if you're gonna be able to see them. There we go. Our exclusive contoured denim. I don't know, I'm excited about those. Okay, so there's 2 dresses in here. The 2 things my other 2 choices that I skipped on were shirts, I believe. One was like almost like a peasant blouse, but it had like, it was a full pattern and long sleeve, and I skipped on that. And then the other one was, I believe, a red t-shirt. It was a red t-shirt, but because I was getting the green one, I skipped on the red one. So those are the 2 items that I skipped on. I know I'm not a big fan of dresses, but I didn't want just a whole bunch of t-shirts. So this is super cute. It's a really pretty color. It's Laura Italy cotton and lace dress. We'll go over the prices at the end. So this is a really pretty blue color right here. And then it comes with, oh, here we go. It has like the slip part that comes with it. Oh, that's really short. Alright, we'll give that a go. This is really pretty. Yeah, so I did go for 2 dresses. And then this is Chris and Carol floral printed waist length top. I just really liked, again, I'm a fan of something plain with like a pop of something, and I loved this. It's blue, and I just love the print. You know, it's something that you could just throw on with a pair of jeans and like run some errands without just feeling like you're just wearing a plain top. And it's waist length, so it's long. Perfect. And this is the other dress. This one was the Chris and Carol knee length dress. So I believe it was a wrap dress from what I saw. Yes. It's another wrap dress, but it has like a split happening. No. Maybe it's not a split. I don't know what's going on here. There we go. Yeah, it's a wrap dress. It's just not tied all the way. Oh no. That might be the split. I don't know. So there we go. So really quick, let's just go over the prices so we can see how much everything it is. So let's see what it says on the invoice. It says your fashion box has arrived. Thank you for styling with us. Please note some of our styles run very different in sizing, so we encourage you to try everything on regardless of the tag. I hope you love rocking these outfits, and we hope to style you again soon. Your stylist, Luana. Okay, so their styles are a little different, so we're gonna have to try it all on. But just briefly to show you where we're at. The Chris and Carol dress was $45, which is really good. This top was $35. This dress, the cotton Laura Italy, is $35, which is really, really good. Oh, that goes with it. The jeans are $52. And this side knit top is $42. So, these being, I don't remember how much the other two shirts were, to be honest with you, but these two being the most expensive, I think that's a pretty decent, pretty decent box. So remember, keeping all 5, you get a 30% off discount. Keeping 3 or 4 gives you 25% off. So all in all, let's just quick go over. Subtotal is $209. If you keep all 5 with the 30% off, that takes off $62.70. So all 5 pieces would end up being $146.30, which is really good if you ask me. So we are going to try this stuff on, see where we are, what we like, what we're going to keep. So we are going to do that, and then we will be right back. So we did have a couple sizing issues. These, I don't know if you're going to be able to see them in the picture, but they definitely didn't fit the way that they're supposed to, I believe. They were definitely smaller than a normal size 16. And I don't think going another size up would help the matters. This is the ankle skinny, and this was definitely way higher above my ankle than I was comfortable with, and they just didn't feel like they fit. And unfortunately, I don't think going up another size would be any better. So I'm probably going to skip on those. So that puts my 5 pieces kind of out of the running. However, I did absolutely love this shirt. I thought it was super cute. It fit really well. It was really, really comfortable. So this is definitely on my keep list. This dress I absolutely loved. I thought this was so cute. I was really excited about this dress. And believe it or not, this actually came down far enough where it was comfortable, because I don't know if you can see that this is all like see-through, so I was worried that it wouldn't come down far enough, but it did, and this was super, super comfortable. So this is on the keep list, definitely. This dress, okay. As soon as I felt the material, I knew it probably wouldn't be a good thing. I don't know. For me, this really silky type material sticks to everything, and it just tends to make me look way bigger than I actually am. And I don't know, something about this dress, I just didn't like the way that it fit me at all. If it was a different material, we might be having a different conversation about this dress right now. It's definitely cute, just material wise, for me, I did not like it. So this one is gonna be a definite no. Though it was really cute, just not for me. And the jury's out on this one. It was definitely comfortable, but I almost felt like this one too was a little bit too big. Like I felt like I almost got lost in it. So I don't know. I don't know if a large would work. I don't know. I have to think about this one. But definitely 2 pieces most likely are a yes. This one I'm not 100% sure on. I might exchange for a large. I haven't decided as of yet. So, don't forget to check out the description box down below. I will tell you there exactly what I decided to keep and what I decided to send back. Also, I will have a link if you want to try a Fashom out for yourself. Just click that link. It'll bring you over. It'll give you $10. I'll get $10. You get $10. It'll be good. Your styling fee is $15. So that $10 already puts you in better shape to get your box. So I'm really excited that I did this, because this was actually really fun, and I love being able to see what I'm getting ahead of time, so that it's not a total surprise, but it's still, you still get to try stuff on, and it's still definitely fun. So I encourage you to give it a try. I'm super glad that I did. I got some really cute stuff already. Yeah, so don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Don't forget to click the Fashom link down below to get your $10, and then you're on your way to your first styling. Any questions about it, definitely ask in the box. I will do my best to answer, seeing as how this was my first time as well doing this box. But thank you so much for watching and hanging out. Until next one.